Hey everybody, good afternoon, and welcome to tonight's video for simplerstocks.com. So taking a look at the overall marketplace just for a second here, and then with a couple of ideas. The overall marketplace here, let's go to the trade tab, look at the, let's see, still got an expected move here into the end of the week of plus or minus about 27 or so SPX, which would be the same as like your S&P points, and reasonably even given the fact that we've got major event tomorrow and Friday, it could actually be a little greater than that. That means I wouldn't be surprised to see trade down into the 2060 level or even up into the 2120 level. However, the overall the open interest is really stacked pretty decisively right around 2100. So even trade down into 2050s, I'd imagine we'd see as buying opportunity, and into the 2120s or a little higher. Yeah, 2120 25s, possible even selling opportunity for retracement back into this 2100 level. But just that's the overall kind of state of the market. So with that, then you say, okay, well, what? How do you handle that, across the board? Well, let me show you a couple of things that I was looking at. First one I'll look at here is, cyber. This thing has just been bid, 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 bid. It's been a fantastic story. It has extended itself to two deviations away from its mean or average, and so with that started taking some of this down today actually. And let me be clear, like I was telling folks in the room, not because I think we've seen the highs. No, not at all. Not because I think we've seen the highs. But I'm not at all surprised to see this pull back into the averages down here around 65, at which case I'd be happy to reacquire. Another Sun Edison, I mean, this thing's up like 2.25 at one point, like 3% today. So use that as an opportunity to cover some really nice gains in a short period of time. The idea, have we seen the highs? No, don't think so, not at all. In fact, may even see higher highs tomorrow. This thing, though, pull back down into the averages for yet another buying opportunity, a chance to reacquire. Absolutely. It'd be fantastic. Alternatively, got like this pharma stock, and with something like this, I'd be looking for a little pullback off of that, one standard deviation move off its mean back into a -1, put it down into around $8, and you can see this gap that puts us up around a $13 price target. So see something like this, I'm actually waiting for a little pullback to actually acquire. All right, so a difference there. Covering some of the other ones on extended moves, looking for some of these others for a little pullback to acquire for moves up into target. And that's much like the case on this pharma stock. Pull back into 10 bucks, buy an opportunity, targets 12 on that last high right there, 417 high, and then the also the 319 high up at $14. So idea here, any little volatility brings me in at 10 bucks. I got 12 and 14 half-dollar targets. All right. Hope that helps. You'll take care out there tomorrow in the volatility, likely midday on the Fed, and then of course again on Friday on quad witching. Take care and good night. All right, just wanted to remind everyone that this is tonight. That is Tuesday, the 16th of June, 8 Eastern, and that is equivalent, obviously, to 7 p.m. Central Time tonight. Should probably last right about an hour. And this is the how to grow my account webinar, and this is something that John's been asked to do for the last couple of years. It's got a very, very, very favorable response, and so John's been asked to do it again. He's agreed to do it again for us. In fact, tonight at 7 p.m. Central, 8 Eastern. And like I said, this is all about growing your account. This is trading for growth versus income. And so some of the things we'll be talking about tonight, trading, the difference in trading actually for income versus growth, and why to attempt to double your account before it goes to zero, and how to control risk while being an aggressive trader, what stops to use and when, the mindset of an aggressive trader, and a lot more. So, to find this, you would simply go to simpleroptions.com/grow my account. Look forward to seeing you tonight and hope all is well in your trading.